Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Rocketlane project management tutorial. Rocketlane is a platform that will allow you to collaborate with other team members, whether you're working on a small team or a large team. You will be able to collaborate to finish projects in a timely manner. You will also be able to easily communicate, plus they offer numerous other features which you can use. So not only do they offer project management, but you can also use Rocketlane platform for financial management, time tracking, and also resource management. Plus they offer integrations onto numerous platforms which you will realize while watching this tutorial. If this sounds good to you and you are interested, be sure to stick around until the end. And a standout feature that I also like with Rocketlane is you can get started for completely free. So you can try out the platform and see if it is for you. And then if it is, you can go onto their pricing plan and you can see their pricing plan starts off at $19 per month per team member, and it goes up to $99 as you can see right there. Now, after you have signed up using your email address, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once you have signed up, the first thing that I would recommend you do is create your first project. To create your first project, you'll need to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from the left-hand menu option, you're going to tap on projects right here. So that would be the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth icon from the top left-hand corner. And you can see some sample projects that were created. Now we're going to tap on new project in the top right-hand corner, and you could enter in the customer name or you could create a customer name. So I'm just going to be using one of the sample names that is there already. After you have done that, you can enter in a project name. So I'll just call this test project right here. So let me do that. Then you can choose from a template, and I'll also be showing you the different templates, but you can see simple onboarding will be using that template. Then you can also choose the project status, whether it has been proposed in planning or to be staff. We'll select proposed. After you have done that, you can select the start date. So I'll say the start date is today, and you can select the due date right here. So let me change that. So I'll select the start date is today. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and then from here you can choose whether it is private or it can be shared with everyone. And by everyone I mean your team members. And you're going to tap on project team. After selecting project team, from here you'll see your email or your name, so you're the owner. Then from there you can select the project manager, so you can assign it to someone as you can see right here. Then you can also select customer success. You can select that right there, and you can select the implementation manager. You can select there also, and you can select engineer. So I'll be selecting him as the engineer also. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on next. After doing that, you can see right here customer 9 tasks assigned, and you can select the team. So I'm going to be selecting that team. Then we'll tap on next again, and again I'll also be showing you how to create team members. These are just some sample team members that we are using. From here you can select the currency, and then you'll tap on create project. So you have now created your first project. After you have created your project and you can see the invitation is being sent out to the other team members, all you need to do now to add team members or to create micro tasks, you could simply go back to the home page. So you could tap on home. Then from there you could tap on new tasks, and you can also add personal tasks as you can see right there. So we can tap on new tasks in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can type in, for example sake, so let's say test. Then you could choose from the particular project. So you can see the sample project that we had created. After you have done that, you can assign this microtask to someone else. So you can tap on choose, and from there you can select who you would like to assign it to. So let's say for example sake I would like to assign it to this person. I can select that person right there, then tap on done, and then you can choose the due date. After you have done that, you can type in the task description and you can tap on create. So that's how you'll be able to create micro tasks. Now, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, I can show you what all of these are for. So the second icon would be for the dashboard and reports. So you can see the dashboard right here. So we have the sample task and we have the proposed task that we had created. If you would like to create a new dashboard or chart, you can do that from the top right hand corner. And by the way, you can view all your reports by tapping on reports. From there, you will be able to time track report. You can see project's performance by tapping right there. You can see how the project is performing and so much more. So if we were to go back, you can see your team members' performance and you can also check on different stuff. Now, this option right here is where you would create accounts. Remember, I had shown you a sample account. So this is where you'll be able to create the business account. So you can tap on new account in the top right hand corner and you could upload the customer or the client's logo, account name, account owner, and also their website, as you can see right there. So that is where you'll be able to create an account. And by tapping on all tasks, you'll be able to view all the tasks that you have currently assigned. And majority of these tasks are some sample tasks, and you can also edit them from the left hand menu option, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on the other icon, which would be resource management, you'll tap on enable, and this is where you'll be able to view all the different tasks and everything that everyone is doing. As you can see right here, you'll see all of the users. You can also tap on projects and you can see all of the projects, and you can also tap right here where you see apps, and from there you can enable different resource apps. So you can see how it looks right there. And this is where you have the different templates by tapping on templates. If you would like to create a personal template, you can do that in the top right hand corner. The template that I was using at the moment, it was the simple onboarding template. So if I were to select it, you can see how it looks right there. And then also you can see the automation. I could add automations if I want. And by going down to the bottom left hand corner, from there you can tap on your profile icon. After tapping on your profile icon, from here you could tap on settings. After selecting settings from the left hand menu option, you can tap on integrations. And this is where you'll be able to find all the different platforms that you'll be able to integrate Rocketlane with. So for example, you can use it with Zapier, which will allow you to automate your workflows. You can also use it with Jira and Salesforce and so much more, as you can see right here. So that's basically it. You can add your team members by tapping on team members from the left hand menu option. You could select invite members in the top right hand corner, and this is where you'll be able to add team members. And to view the time tracking or to set up time tracking, you can tap on time tracking from the bottom left hand corner, and then from there you could enable it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.